Hey, listen, the work is picking up speed, so in this video you'll see the engine installation, engine assembly, first test, sequences, and more. I haven't been in or driven this car for 6 months, as you'll see in the video. Let's go. We've taken the engine apart into tiny pieces. Camille will tell us what happened here.
Yeah, so I took it apart once again. Fortunately, nothing is wrong with the engine, it was just taken apart for inspection. And here you can see, it's completely disassembled. Nothing is happening with the engine block, it's already cleaned, but I'll paint it a bit more before I start putting it back together. The engine restorer checked the cylinder head. And honestly, it was just lightly skimmed, so I wouldn't have to scrape off the old gasket anymore. Valve clearances were checked, so the camshafts are in place. The cylinder head is fine too. Lucky, everything's good. The only parts we're going to replace are the oil pump because I took it apart earlier and it has some slight, it's usually made of aluminum with only the pressure creating rotors made of steel. And unfortunately, you can already see some very slight torn pieces of aluminum on those aluminum parts. Torn is an exaggeration, there are only minor imperfections. In theory, it would probably still work, but I'd rather avoid it. The situation from last year, where, as you remember, the pump looked much worse last year. The pump parts got stuck in the main bearings and damaged the crankshaft. So I'd rather avoid that. That's why the oil pump is already there, right here in the box. A new one from Toyota. What else are we going to replace? Main and connecting rod bearings. Actually, I think the main one is already... I exaggerated a bit. It could stay, but I'd rather have new ones. Because you can see something on the connecting rod bearings, but this engine hasn't had it easy.
No, it hasn't.
So I think that, considering what you can see on them, it's actually really good. New bearings will go in. The crankshaft is in perfect condition, as I'll show you now. Yes. It stayed, the specialist checked it. There are some marks, but it's just not fully oiled yet. The shaft doesn't have any scratches at all. Nothing happened to it. It was only checked. Just checked for shaft balancing. And that's it. That's all we did with it. New bearings and an oil pump will go in. Now we just need to prepare everything well.
Hold this, Asya.
Thank you.
But you'd better not drink.
Take care.
Yes, I have the handbrake on. Maybe I'll add some fluid. Go ahead, pour it. Oh, wow, that's so cool. So, should I hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
So, how do you like sitting in the Subaru?
It's tailored to my measurements.
Should I take it? No. Now when I tell you, you change the gear.
Oh, now it worked?
Downshift now. Push it away from you. Push it away right away. Okay. And now up exactly this lever and forward.
Hard, yeah, it's going. Beautiful.
It's chill.
It's chill, buddy.
Buddy,
I don't even know which one anymore.
Listen, there's a Subaru. Kamil called me over and said we're doing the first startup.
First attempt.
I'm getting inside. The window just flew in. From the spare Subaru, going inside. We're going to do a test. We're inside. Everything is fine. It's a bit better, isn't it? It's much better. Basically, the problem was that we changed the clutch slave cylinder, and with the new one, to press the clutch, I had to use so much force that it was terrible. But Kamal said, "What did you do?"
I modified the pedal lever by drilling another hole so that the pump's small rod would stick out a bit more. Here the lever changes a bit, so you need to use less force to press it.
And look, a new friend has arrived here. There's a shifter. Shifter. And I just learned to say shifter. Now it's sequential. Damn. Guys. Nice. We'll change this knob too, since I don't like it, and make it a bit higher. So it's easier to reach. And so it looks a bit neater here too. Alright, I'm off. I'm starting it up. Now. You do it. He's checking. He can't hear. But thank you. Really. Respect. But all right. He reacts. Listen, we're literally 10 days away from releasing the car in Ireland. That's really great news. The engine works. That means the tests are over. Press the clutch. Try to shift into gear.
He'll get out eventually. Well, maybe like that.
He's waiting.
Until this one.
She is awakened.
Leave since you're idle.
Well, it's nice, isn't it? But the fact that it got painted really makes a difference.
There's a different front bumper. Maybe it's a toy. No, it's the same one.
Listen, as you can see, Subaru finally rolled out, and in a moment we're going to do the first, you could say, check of the car this year. I'll tell you this, I can't stop smiling. Just the way the car looks right now. It's white again, everything is freshly painted. It looks like new. Totally like a toy. I'm speechless. I've got chills running down my spine. We're removing the bumper because it's still rubbing and we don't want it damaged. Soon we'll start up for the first time and I'll finally get to shift gears in the sequential gearbox with the car on its wheels. So damn, I'm really excited.
Brothers. Let's smoke it. He writes. He writes. No. Who needs that? I'll even sit there. So it's really clean then.
Do you feel any peaks? Because here it's automatic. Every move, and still without the clutch. It pushes you back into the seat. And here it drives. Because it wasn't like that before.
And that's awesome. Actually, we push it even more like that.
Great. Is it due to universal joints? No, there aren't any. There are universal joints here, but no muffler. It's one piece. And the sequential does its job too, because I have those gears. Yeah. It locks. Oh, this one will flip.
Alright, listen, we finished testing the ride. Wow, finally, it's about time because there's really not much time left until the competition. But we did it, the ride started up. Huge thanks to my whole team because it's not just like... It's my achievement. It's everyone's work that this is happening. We did it. Big changes are noticeable immediately. Sequa works well and the one-piece shaft has no rubber parts. The car performs well on the drive. When you hit the gas, you immediately feel it push you. Instantly. Damn, amazing feeling. So now we have a really intense time ahead of us. Tomorrow, final car touch-ups like alignment. Saturday, training. Sunday, going to Warsaw to Max Racing to record a podcast. Monday, another session. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're wrapping the car. Because for Ireland, we want it already wrapped. And wrapping it is awesome. Personally, I'm super excited. And I'm also curious how you'll like it. Thursday, we're working on the car. Whatever comes up, just to get anything done at all. And we're also recording the wrapping process. Friday, we're packing the car for Ireland. So we've got a really intense time ahead of us, but I'm super excited and I really want to thank all of you. Let's get started with this.